In this video, you'll learn how to import and export data using Asana. This guide provides a straightforward method to manage your project data efficiently, ensuring you can easily transfer information to and from Asana. Begin by navigating to the Asana website and logging into your workspace. Once you are logged in, locate the project that you want to either import data into or export data from. It is important to confirm that you have the necessary admin or edit permissions, as these permissions are required to access the import and export features. Next, direct your attention to the project menu, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. This menu contains the options for both importing and exporting data. To import data into Asana, first select the import option from the project menu. You will then need to choose the file type you wish to import, such as a CSV file. Once you've selected the file type, carefully map the columns from your file to the corresponding Asana fields. For example, ensure that the task name aligns with the correct column in your file and that the due date is accurately matched. After mapping the fields, review the preview provided by Asana to check for any errors. If you notice any mismatches in the fields, make the necessary corrections. This step is crucial for ensuring clean data entry. Once you are satisfied with the mapping and preview of your data, proceed to finalize the import. Asana will process the data and you should receive a confirmation once the import is complete. It is advisable to check the imported tasks in your project to verify that everything has been correctly entered. This practice helps maintain the integrity of your project data. To export data from Asana, start by selecting the export option from the same project menu you used earlier. You will be prompted to choose your desired file format, which can be either CSV or JSON, depending on your needs. After selecting the format, initiate the export process. Asana will generate the file, and you will be given the option to download it directly to your device. Once the download is complete, open the file to confirm the accuracy of the data exported. This step ensures that you have a reliable backup or a data set for external analysis. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.